Ladies and G's, here's a quick and easy satisfying recipe of our comfort meal, our gnocchi and our mince. So lately I've been enjoying cooking comfort meals. I don't know why, but I've been getting a lot of pleasure from it. So time and again, you'll see me going back to it. So you'll start off by adding a spoon of olive oil in a pan. Then you add your mince, you separate it, you season it with salt and pepper. Once it's browned, you remove it from the pan. Then you start preparation of your veggies. And I must say, most of comfort meals are built up of different veggies. And not only are they bringing color, but they are also important for our health. So I like adding a lot of those. And again, a plate must be colorful, a plate must be enticing, it must be mouth-watering just by looking at it. So you'll chop off all your veggies, then in the same pan, you'll saute your onion and your garlic. Then you add your carrots, your celery, your raw peppers. You let everything cook until soft. Then you squeeze in some tomato paste. Then you let it cook for 2 minutes. Then you add your red wine. You allow it to cook for at least 5 minutes so that all the alcohol in it dies. So today I was feeling a bit down and I decided to drink green tea because normally when I'm feeling like this, it always lifts my spirit up. So I drink it with a dash of lemon. So this is how rich and colorful our veggies should look. So you'll add in your tomatoes, then followed by your mince, your stock cubes, bay leaves, thyme, paprika, and aromatic chili beef. Then you add your water, you let it cook for at least 15 minutes. Then you add in your cabbage and your chili flakes, but this is optional. Then you let it cook for an extra 10 minutes. In a separate pot, I boiled my gnocchi in salted water, then added on my mince. I mixed everything until it's consistent. I also removed bay leaves, and it was now time for the moment of truth. This meal slaps. You can tell by the looks. You should try this recipe at home, and I promise you, you won't regret it. This was very, very delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all chocolate love.